Hey, what's up, family? This is your guy, Tanna from Tanna Music and Tanna So Lit. If this is your first time rocking with me, please hit that subscribe button, like the content, and share it if you feel it. No question about it. And remember to click that bell and select all, not some, or whatever, if you want to continue to see me raise hell. Well, peeps, this is my first music tutorial, and man, is it a doozy. I'm going to show you guys how to get your 808s to bang, but still have them just where you want them. Alright, everybody, let's go.
Tanna so official, Tanna so made, Tanna so real, Tanna so paid, Tanna so raw, Tanna be the shit, Tanna so official, Tanna so lit.
Alright, people, here we are right now in the browser of an Ableton live session and beat that I'm working on. Right now, I got the sequences and the scenes already and everything, but I'm gonna go ahead and play a beat to let you guys know how the 808 sounds in this beat, and I'm gonna show you how I got it this way. Did y'all hear the way that 808 sounded and the way it fit right perfectly with the other frequencies, but at the same time still bang? Well, let me show you the three things that I use so you can go ahead and inquire it in your production setup. Let's go. Okay, peeps, the first thing that I use for starters for my 808 sounds is this VST called Sublab. Let me show you how the interface looks. There it is right there. This right here, to me, is the absolute best VST for 808 sounds out today. No question about it. Within this Sublabs VST, you can tweak anything from A to Z on your 808s to make it yours. And the presets on this boy are absolutely awesome, dope and all that. And people, they got some presets from certain Drake songs, certain DaBaby songs and everything. So the 808s in this Sublabs VST ain't no joke.
You ain't lying.
Now, you heard how the 808 was kind of hitting in that beat, right? Well, check this out. I use Waves Smack Attack. Yes, sir. Let me drag it on right here. This is the interface. We can control the attack, the sustain, the duration, and everything of an 808. Right now, I got the attack on 7 and the sustain on 0. It all depends and it's subjective to the beat that you use. So, depending on what sounds you get and everything, that's how you're going to tweak it, no question about it. And as far as the attack, I chose a long attack instead of a short attack or a medium attack because it fit perfectly with that. And as far as the sustain, I didn't even bother it because I didn't need it. You want to know why? In Sublabs, I tweaked the 808 just the way I wanted to. Now below right here in this section right here, you can control the mix, meaning you can control how dry or wet the effect is on the 808 and everything. You can control the output right there. And also right here to the right, you can control the guard, meaning that you can control if you want it to sound like a clip, a limiter, or if you want it off. Man, this Waves Smack Attack is definitely that business. Now let me show you this other Waves plugin that I use. Man, this one right here is industry standard. This is Waves R Bass. This is where you place the 808 in the frequency range that you want. Man, speaking of frequency range, let's go over the controls. Up top, you got that frequency right here. Right now, I got it on 58. Sometimes on some beats, I drop it all the way down to 32. But keep note, always have your frequency range on your 808s 60 hertz or lower. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can control the intensity right here and also the gain. Very simple, easy to use, but very, very effective and used by industry producers such as myself across the world. So what you think about that, everybody? Is just that simple to make your 808s sound great on your beats. So man, I don't care if you inquired just one or two of the things that I show you in your beats and everything. Man, it's gonna still raise the sound quality of your 808s way high. No question about it. And once your sound quality goes up, so does your bank account. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan, Tanna, and Team Lit, then do that too because that's official too. All right, everybody. Be legendary. Never secondary. Be easy.